This video is going to show you how to set and use the Kreg Jig properly. The first thing you're going to need is the jig itself. Second thing is a Kreg Jig bit, Allen wrench, and then a corded drill. The first thing we need to know is the thickness of your material. We're going to assume that your material is 3/4 of an inch thick. So, first thing we're going to do is set our Kreg Jig. If we come here, we have a set screw on the back, and then this slides up or down. So, as I had mentioned before, we're going to be at 3/4 of an inch. So, I set it to 3/4 with this white line right in line with the blue, and then I tighten the set screw. So my jig is set. The next thing I need to set is the bit itself. If you notice, the bit has this collar on it, which is adjustable, and it has a set screw. The set screw can be adjusted with an Allen wrench. This should all be in the Kreg Jig drawer, which is in the black toolbox. In order to set the bit, I need to use the jig, which has these measurements on the side. I'm going to take the bit and I'm going to set it in here. If you notice, the collar goes right, slides right in the jig, and I'm going to set the wide part of the bit to 3/4, not the tip. Once I have it set, now I'm going to take my Allen wrench and I'm going to tighten the collar, keeping the bit at 3/4. Once I have this, the bit and jig are ready to use. Then I'll need to put the Kreg Jig bit into the corded drill. So I will grab the drill. You can loosen it by spinning the furthermost grip. Slide your bit in and tighten it up. Now, when these drills are tight enough, you'll notice they click. So, once they've clicked, you're ready to go. Now I would plug the bit in, plug the drill in, and you'd clamp your material into your jig. If you need to adjust the clamp because your piece won't fit, this bolt right here can go in or out, depending on where you need it. If you have any questions, see Mr. Fritz and he will help you make all the adjustments you need and properly set up the Kreg Jig.